I want you to think of an orchestra. Imagine that the flutist is playing a C. The violinist is playing an E. And the trombonist is playing a G. Now imagine that their individual parts are being played together. Harmony is created. Harmony is typically analyzed as a series of chords. But what are chords? In this video, you are going to learn about the basic chords in music. So, stay tuned. A chord is a combination of three or more notes. The most basic chord is called a triad, which is composed of only three notes that are stacked on top of each other, like this. Triads are built in three parts: the root, the third, and the fifth. A chord is named based on its root. In this example, this is a C chord, since the root of this chord is C. However, knowing the name of the chord is not enough. You also need to know the type of chord. The most basic type of chords are major chords and minor chords. Let's start discussing about the major chords. A major triad or a major chord is built with a major third and a perfect fifth from the root. This makes a happy and bright sound like this. In order to get a major third, count 4 half steps from the root. So the root in this chord is C. So we need to start counting in C sharp. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there we have it. Our major third is an E. To get the perfect fifth, count 3 half steps from the major third. So from E, we start counting in F. 1, 2, and 3. Our perfect fifth is a G. So the notes in a C major chord are C, E, and G. A major chord is written by its letter only. So a C major chord is written as C. Let's have another example, the E major chord. The notes given in E major chord are E, G sharp, and B. Let's check if they follow the 4-3 pattern. So from E, we need to count 4 half steps to get the major third. So starting in F, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our major third is a G sharp. Let's get the perfect fifth by counting 3 half steps from the major third. So starting in A, we count 1, 2, and 3. There you have it. Our perfect fifth is a B. So the notes in an E major chord are E, G sharp, and B. Now we're done with the major chords. Let's now discuss the minor chords. A minor triad or a minor chord is created with a minor third and a perfect fifth. This triad makes a sad and dark sound like this. In order to get the minor third, count 3 half steps from the root or just lower the major third by a half step. So again, if the root is C, we need to start counting in C sharp. 1, 2, and 3. So there you have it. Our minor third is an E flat. To get the perfect fifth, count 4 half steps from the minor third. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our perfect fifth is a G. So the notes in a C minor chord are C, E flat, and G. A minor chord is written by its letter with a small m beside it. So a C minor chord is written as C, M, or C minor. Let's have another example. The notes of a D minor chord are D, F, and A. Let's see if they follow the 3-4 pattern. Our root is a D, so we need to count 3 half steps from the root to get the minor third. So D sharp is 1, 2, and 3. Our minor third is an F. To get the perfect fifth, let's count 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our perfect fifth is an A. So, the notes of a D minor chord are D, F, and A. To check if you really understood our lesson in this video, try to answer this question. Which one is a major chord? Is it A, B, C, or D? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. So, that's it for now. See you in my next video. Until then, keep singing.